Hello students, we have seen in last lecture table, then how to take image in using HTML5. Now we will start with decision making statement, that is we have to check using if else statement. So the first is we use the doc type, that is document type declaration, HTML tag. We have closed here, then HTML tag. We have to mention the script language as a JavaScript. Then variable declaration, we have used two variables, that is A and variable B. Okay. Then A equals to prompt, enter value 1. In output, you can see here, enter value 1. Okay, this is the prompt box with option OK and cancel. When we type here the value, first value, suppose 2, then this 2 value will be assigned to A. Then for B equals to prompt, enter value 2. And here you can see this is the prompt box. The statement is enter value 2. When you put the value as 3, this 3 value will be assigned to B. Then if we will check this condition, if condition is A is greater than B, if A value will be 2 and B will be 3, 2 is greater than 3, if 2 is greater than 3, then it will be write as document right value 1 is greater than value 2, but our value is 2 is not greater than 3, hence it will display, it will goes to else part and it will display this content, that is value 2 is greater than value 1. Here you can see the result, value 2 is greater than value 1. Here we open the script and lastly we have to close the script tag, and at last we have to close the HTML tag. Okay, we have used this prompt built-in function. Okay, prompt and decision making statement, that is if this condition is satisfied, then it will display the first statement, else it will goes to the this statement. Okay, now we will see the next, that is next program. We'll check for even or odd number. As previous, we have seen the document type HTML tag we use, then script language, meaning we mentioned it as JavaScript language. Then lastly we use A and B variables. Now we will see the NO variable. Then NO is variable equals to prompt, enter the number. Here is the, in output you can see the prompt box with statement as enter the number. When you enter the number 2, okay, this 2 will be assigned to NO. Okay, okay, then if it will check for the condition as NO we have entered as 2 mod 2 double equals to 0. It will check for the reminder. If the reminder is 0, then it will write as document write as number is even. You can see in output. Okay, number is even. Else document write, it will check statement, it will give as number is odd. Any doubt, students? Anand, Sar? We will check another number 3. Number NO equals to NO value will be 3. Prompt enter the number. Enter number. We have put number as 3, that will be assigned to NO. If 3 mod 2 equals to 0, no. That is 3 divided by 2. It will give reminder as 1. Then it will goes to else part and it will display the number is odd. You can see here the output number is odd. Here script will be closed and HTML tag we have closed. Okay. Now we will see next practical, that will be conditional. Okay, conditional statements. First we have to open this in Notepad. We have to save this file, save as, and after save you can see the on desktop with browser icon, as you have saved this file using .html or .htm. Okay, so first we have used the HTML tag, then head tag for heading, title, you can see conditional statement. This is the title of the web page. Then title tag is closed. We have to mention the script language as a JavaScript. We are using the JavaScript, so we have mentioned the script language as a JavaScript. Then here we use the function. Okay, and name of the function is check. Okay, you can give the name of the function, any name. Okay, any name we can give the to the function. Here we use the check as a function name. Then in function we use the variable as age. Here you can use any variable like ABC or NO or age. Okay, we have used the variable as a age. Here age equals to form1 dot t1 dot value. Okay, we have this is a, here in output you can see this is the form, name is form1. Then here we use the text box. Okay, here you can see the input type is text box. Then we have given the name as t1 to the text box. Okay, and the value of the text box, this value, the form1 ka t1 ka value, here you can see when you type the age, that is 16. Okay, or 22, form1 ka t1, that is text box 1 ka value will be assigned to age variable. Okay, that is 22 will be assigned to age. If next it will goes to condition making, decision making statement. It will check for if else. Okay, if the age will be 22, right? If 22 is greater than or equals to 18, yes, then alert box will be display that with qualifies for driving. When you click on the submit button, this is the alert box, it will display as qualify for driving. This alert box is with OK option. Okay, here script, here we open the script and close the script. In close the head, in body part we have used the form name as a form1. We have given the name to the form as form1. Then we have aligned it in the center. This is the center tag. Then enter your age. Here you can see enter your age. Input type. We have used the text box, right? Input text box. Input type. We have used the text box. We have given the name to the text box as T1. Then we have break line. Break tag we have used. Then next we have used the input type as button. Here you can see the button value we have used as submit. Here you can use check also. You can change any value. Every change we have to save, and here you have to refresh. Here you can see the value of the button will be changed as check. Okay, here. Okay, and on click event we have used when you click on this button, that is this will call to this function check. When we click on the check button, okay, then it will goes to this function. It will use as variable age equals to form1 ka t1 ka value, that is we have assigned 22, right? If 22 is greater than or equals to 18, yes, then it will display with alert as qualifies for driving. We will check another reverse condition. We will check for 16. Okay, that is age will be 60. If 16 is greater than or equals to 18, no, then it will goes to else part, that it will display as in alert does not qualifies for driving. Here you can see in alert box as does not qualifies for driving. Okay, okay. Now we will see another program. We have seen greater number, even, odd conditional statement. Then we will see for uppercase, okay, uppercase string. Yes, here we have created using notepad. You have to save this file using name of the file with extension as .html or .html, and we have to run or execute using web browser. Okay, so we will start with document type HTML tag. We have used the head for heading, then title uppercase function. Here you can see the title of the web page as uppercase function. We have closed this title. Then we have used the script language as a JavaScript. Okay. Next, we have used this function display. Okay. Function display, where we use the variable a equals to form1 ka t1 ka value will be assigned to variable a, and then a dot to uppercase. We have used the built-in function in JavaScript, that is to uppercase. Here you can see this is the built-in function that will uh, it will do the uppercase to the given string. Okay, we have closed the script. Then head, in body we have used the form, the name as given as name we have given as form1. Here enter string value, you can see enter string value. We have used the input, that is type as text box. Here you can see the text box. name we have given to the text box as T1. Next, BR tag we have used for break line. Next, we have input type as button. We have used the next as button. Value will be press button. We have given the value as press button. Okay, on key press, this is the event. Okay, keyboard event. When we click on this event, then when we click on this button, then it will goes to function as a display. Here you can see the function. Name of the function is display. Okay, from here it will goes to function display. In function display, when you type, okay, a, okay, this is the string variable a, form1 का text box का value, that is a. Okay, we have enter the value of the T1 as a. This a will be assigned to a. Okay, or we will take another string as Siddhi. Okay, this is the string. This Siddhi will be assigned to a. Okay, next, this a is Siddhi. It will convert to uppercase. It will convert to uppercase. We have used the built-in function to uppercase to convert it to the lowercase letter to uppercase, that is to small letters to capital letters. Then this will be assigned, it will display in the next form1 ka T1. T1 is text box 2 ka value. When you click on the button, here you can see the output as it will transfer to capital letters or a uppercase. Yes? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Are you understanding?
हो मॅम.
हा, आणि ज्यांना कळत नसेल त्यांनी साइड बाय साइड घरी लॅपटॉप पीसी वगैरे असेल माझ्यासोबत करून बघायचं किंवा नंतर ट्राय केलं तरी चालेल. काही डाऊट असला तर विचारा.
ओके मॅम.
आपण इथे ऑन की प्रेस इव्हेंट घेतलेला आहे, म्हणजे या पर्टिक्युलर कीवर किंवा ह्या इव्हेंटवर क्लिक केल्यानंतर, म्हणजे या बटनवर क्लिक केल्यानंतर हे डिस्प्ले फंक्शनला कॉल जाणार आणि इथे हा अप्पर केस मध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार. ठीक आहे, इथे स्क्रिप्ट वी हॅव क्लोज्ड हियर, हेड टॅग वी हॅव क्लोज्ड अँड देन लास्टली HTML टॅग वी हॅव क्लोज्ड. दिस इज द अप्पर केस फंक्शन. तुम्ही कॅपिटलचं स्मॉल पण करू शकतात किंवा स्मॉल टू कॅपिटल पण करू शकतात. Only we have to change this built-in function, that is this is to uppercase is for capital letters uppercase, and when we use to lowercase then it will convert to small letters, that is lowercase. Okay, we will see next program. We have seen the conditional event, even, odd, greater, uppercase. Yes. Now we will see the next program, that is doc type HTML. Same we have used, that is head tag for heading. Title we have given the addition and division. Here you can see the addition and division as a title to the web page. Head tag we have closed. Script language JavaScript we have used. Then function, here we use the function name as display. Then we have opened the curly braces. Here this part is function. From Here on click event, you will call that function as a display. Now we will start with body tag. In body tag, we have used form as a form 1, enter value. Here you can see the enter value. Then input, we have taken the input tag. The type of the input is text box. Here you can see the text box. Name of the text box we have given as T1. We have used the break line tag. Then next is input type. We have used the button type. Here you can see this is the button. Value of the button is check. When you click, this is the event handler. When you click on this button, okay, check button, then it will call for the display function. From here you have to call from the display function. Then it will go to function display. In display function, we have used the two variables, that is a and variable b. In variable a, okay, equals to form1 ka t1 ka value, that is form1, this is totally the form1, text box 1, t1 is text box 1 ka value. When you put the value like 3, okay, this 3 value will be assigned to value a, okay. If 3 is greater than or equals to 0, it will check for the statement condition. Then if a is greater than or equals to 0, that is 3 is greater than or equals to 0, then alert, it will display as value is number. When you click on this check, okay, it will display as alert with okay option. Value is number, okay. When you type the string, we have like string, that is Siddhi. If a value will be Siddhi. If Siddhi is greater than or equals to 0, then it will goes to other else part. It will display as value is string. Value is string. Here you can see the option. Okay. Now we will go to next program, that is length. Okay, here you can see the document type. We have used the HTML tag, then head for heading. Title, you can see the JavaScript as the title of the web page. Okay, then head tag we have closed here. Script language we have used as JavaScript. We have used two variables, that is A and B, using var. Okay, var, variables a comma variable b. Then a equals to prompt, enter your text. Here you can see the prompt box with statement as enter your text. When you enter your text in this, then it will suppose Siddhi. Okay, Siddhi is the text. Okay, this will be assigned to this a. Siddhi will be assigned to a. It will convert the a dot length. Okay, a dot length, that is it will count the characters 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this will be assigned to b. Alert, your text length is, and with that it will display as text length, your text length is 5. It will count the, this is the, we have used the length, a dot length. We have used the Siddhi. Okay, we will run again. Siddhi. Okay, a dot length. It will count the characters of the given text, that is Siddhi. It will be assigned to B. Then it will alert your text length is with plus B, that will, it will count the characters, that is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the text length of the this word. Okay, you can check for another. Anand. Okay, text length is 5. Okay, so we have closed the script. We have closed the body tag, and lastly we have to close the HTML tag. Then we will see the next program, mouse event. Okay, we have seen the event handling. Okay, so we use the HTML tag, head tag for heading, title tag for title. Title is mouse event. Here you can see the mouse event. Okay, then script language we will use as JavaScript. Okay, function is MOV. Okay, we have given the name as function name as MOV, then MO out, MO MU up, and M click. Okay, we can change we can give any name to the function. Okay, we have used 4 functions. One is MOV, MO out, MU up, and M click. Okay, we have closed the script here. In body, we have used the H1, that is aligned to the center. Okay, then mouse and keyboard event. Okay, you can see the heading as mouse and keyboard event. We have closed the H1 tag. Then this is the form. Here we have used the name as a F1. Then input type, we have used the button. Here you can see the check button, value is the check. Okay, the main important part is on mouse over. Okay, on mouse over is the mouse event. Okay, it will goes to the function that is MOV. Okay, here you can see MOV function. It will call to this function MOV from here when on mouse over event. On mouse over event, it will call the function MOV. This is on mouse over, that is background color will be, this is the on mouse over. You can see the background color set as 0. Document dot background bg color is background color. It will display as green when on mouse over. The next event is on mouse out, that is MO out. It will call to the this function when on mouse out. Okay, that is it will be pink. Background colors will be set as pink. Then next event is on mouse up. It will call to the function MUP. It will color as yellow when you mouse up. When the user releases a mouse button over an element, then it will call the on mouse up event. Then on click event. Next will be the on click event, that is MCLK. It will call for the function as MCLK document, right? The background color it will change to purple when you click on this button. Okay, when you click on the button, it will set the background color as purple. We have closed this form, body, and HTML tag. Okay, for any query, please message me or ask me if you have any doubt. We will end this meeting here. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, please try at home. Okay, all these programs on your laptop or PC, please do try at your home. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
these programs.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.